Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best ironing boards that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Whitmor Tabletop Ironing Board. This is a compact, sturdy wooden ironing board with a bit of padding on top, explains one reviewer. There isn't much more to it than that, but that's exactly what reviewers love about it. I wanted something small enough to place on top of my work desk but also big enough to cover enough material I need to iron. This does both, one writes, and more than a quarter of reviewers say this is perfect for small spaces. I put it on my kitchen island and it's perfect, one says. The little legs fold down for easy storage. Another writes that it's perfect for quick ironing and not bulky like the bigger ones that need folding. Since it is small, reviewers aren't attempting big jobs with it, but as one concludes, it's a wonderful, little size, tabletop, all I needed for occasional ironing. At number 4. Brabantia Ironing Board. Reviewers are seriously impressed with how well made this ironing board is, specifically the iron rest. I really like the little stand to place the iron, one writes. Another says, I also like how well welded the iron rest is, as the last board I tried had an iron rest so rickety that I was scared to use it with even a lightweight iron. The rest also doubles as a place where I could hang my ironed clothes on the side then bring everything into the closet once I'm done. Reviewers like how versatile this ironing board is, too. The incline bar is reversible, so one reviewer says being a lefty, I appreciated that the iron stand can be set up for left-handed use. The height is also adjustable, which one reviewer likes because I can raise it higher than most boards, which means no more hunching over. 70% of reviewers describe this ironing board as sturdy. You could knock it over if you really wanted to, but it's plenty sturdy for normal use, no worrisome wobbles or creaks, one user says. And perhaps best of all, it lasts. One reviewer notes theirs is still working fine after 18 months. At number 3. Minky Ergo Plus Ironing Board, 48x15. Reviewers were impressed with the height on this ironing board, like this one who says that it's very well designed, and the extra height adjustment gives my back a rest, as I'm 5'11" and like to have the board up high. This reviewer agrees, saying that it features a greater adjustable height than most ironing boards, while this one says, the adjustable height is fantastic. I have it as high as I can make it. Others like it for how easy it is to set up, it's easy to fold and open, says one. It's really ergonomics and easy to use, says another. Reviewers also note that it makes ironing clothes feel less like a chore. My ironing time, I iron a shirt and pants every day, has been cut in half and the clothes come out so much better than with a cheap board, says one. Another agrees, it is like the ultimate ironing board. Sturdy and smooth. Actually makes ironing a lot less of a hassle. Love it. At number 2. Honey Can Do Tabletop Ironing Board. More than 70% of reviewers give this ironing board 5 stars, and many love how compact it is. We live in a really tiny apartment with no counter space and very little storage space, one user says. We ended up storing it in the gap between the refrigerator, but it's small enough to slide under a low bed. You get a lot for your money with this board. It's sturdy, well made, and pretty. And while it is compact, one reviewer says, this is much larger than I anticipated, but that's perfect for my craft/sewing needs. They add, the height is also enough for me to work with and I absolutely love the pull-out iron rest. Others agree that it's perfect for a seamstress, and really any use, because it is so well made. The entire frame, including the legs, moving parts and clamps are sturdy metal, screwed into place with good screws, one reviewer says. The board is thick particle board, the board doesn't move at all because of good quality plastic feet. At number 1. Portable Ironing Mat Blanket. The ironing mat is a nice space-saving alternative for many reviewers who don't have room for a more traditional ironing board. One reviewer who lives in an efficiency apartment says, using this, I can iron on my countertop or even my wood-finished TV tray without scorching the surface. But about 15% of reviewers secure it to their washer or dryer with the included magnets. The only surface that seems to be a real no-go is hardwood, There are silver spots from where the material transferred onto the table, one reviewer warns. Even if space isn't an issue, doesn't echo this reviewer's sentiments, I don't have to worry about dragging out some heavy awkward iron board. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.